for me. But if you want to define your own section line, you can create a reference line in here and then insert tags to it to mention what will be the projection, what will the window and everything. So how these tags work, if you go to building section, you have this option of insert tags. So I click on this, you have all these options, okay, like window, doors and other things. So first thing which I want to mention is the projection, and it will be vertical to the section line. So I click OK and then place the position or the projection tag in here. So it has added. One more thing which we need to ensure that the projection should cut through the reference line or the section line. So that is very important for it to work or considered as a projection line. So you can see here it has shown the projection in here. Now there are some other tags which I would like to insert, so I can go to this I tag. So someone are asking related to the keyboard shortcuts. You can see we have all these shortcuts available. You can just once you get used to the solution, you can start using all those shortcuts. And so let's say this I tag is basically for insert tag. If I use the same on the keyboard, it will show me the shortcut in here, I tag, insert, and it will again come back to the same area. Yeah, okay. So I have an interesting question. Without creating 3D model, we can create section and elevation in Aries Commander. Yeah, we can. So basically, you just need to specify the number of floors, and it will calculate based on the floor area or which is the projection. So let me just show you one more example. This is basically to show you how you can create a projection or section line. So you just select window, the tag value is here. Okay, so I have inserted it vertically. I wanted to do it horizontally, so just go back to the I tag window and make it horizontal. Then select the location where you want the windows to be mentioned. So you can see here I have added on the windows, 3 windows. So the 3 windows tag have been added. This is my stair area, so I need to have the landings. So just right click and repeat the I tag, and the landing is available, tag value, okay, and then just place the landing tag in here. I need one more landing tag for the stair height, so just right click and set and change the tag value to 1500 for the stairs, okay, and place the position here. So one more tag which I can insert in this is basically right click, I tag, and then a word. Okay, I wanted the word to be placed in here. Okay, so just move it one more time to ensure that it works properly for me. Okay. So in that case, you can do it separately as well. I have one more question, the floor plan changes. So for every floor plan, you can create a section separately. But if you have the same for those, you can easily do it. You can easily do it in here. So just right click building section and go to the draw section option. Let me just remove the celled option in here. I don't want this, and the floor everything is okay. Select this place. So you can see here how easily it has created the section for me. Okay, it's overlap. So let me just undo everything and do it one more time. So let me place it in the bottom direction. So go to the building section, draw section. How easily I've created a section line, and then select this section line to create a section view of your own. So that's right click, and you can see here how beautifully it has considered everything for you, and the stair area and the length, the landing, the void has been highlighted in here, the living room, everything with just one click. So you can see in here, based on the tags, you can easily control and give the kind of sections which you want to create. So moving on to the others, I hope you find it useful and you find the section option interesting. So you basically have to just create reference lines and then insert the tag and draw the section just using the click. So draw section will have all these controls, bottom, depth, you can change the things as per your requirements. So moving on to the few other fantastic options which we have in Arc Assist is, so let me give you with an example. So here you can see I have a symbol representing the parking area. So what happens, many times I have to do some kind of numberings and other things. So we have some text tools as well, which is like sequential numbers. So if I have to do a kind of numbering which is sequential and I just want to have it in here, so that's all the settings. I want the border for the text which I am mentioning here. I want the it to be circle. I can give the radius as 200. Everything is there. Starting number, increment by. All this is here. Click OK, and then just select, draw the line, starting point and the last point, and it will create the numbering for you. So you can see here 1, 2, 3 till 10. Similarly, it will follow or continue with the last numbers which you have done. So if you draw the line in here, it will again create the new numbering. So you can see here it has done with 11 to 20. So how easy and simple it was. You can see the numbering. And very important thing is the design changes are an integral part of any drawing process or any projects, right? So let's say at any point of time you need to increase the parking space in your drawing and you again do the numbering and everything, right? So to counter this, we have some fantastic solutions. Like if I'll just copy the same, my requirement is to increase the parking numbers. I just copied the same thing again, and then what I need to do is, like previously I had 20, so we have some inbuilt calculators along with Arc Assist, so which are very powerful and useful. So if I will go to this calculate tool, and what it asked me to add the figure. So in this calculation tool we have, like, even if we have two different entities that can be added, and a particular number can also be added or subtracted or multiplied or divided. So let's say I want to add 20 to this, because the numbering till last it was 20, and now it should start from 21 and end till 40. So I am adding all these numbers with the number 20. Select everything, just window select and hit enter, and you can see it has added the number 20 to this. So how easy I can change the numberings and other things. So this calculation tool is again a very powerful and useful tool which can be used to show which can be used to actually increase the efficiency of any CAD users. So moving on to the other options, in this text tool we have one more option of text to CSV. So if you remember, we had created some kind of tables and other things. So let me just do it